What's up, madlang people? This is your Awake Alert Live enthusiastic vlogger, Jomie Hospital. That's Jomie.
Boom! Panes! Boom! Boom! Panes! Panes! Boom! Panes! Boom! Boom! Panes! Panes! Boom!
And today we're gonna try how to vlog for the first time. Well, this is totally my first time to vlog, but not my first time in making videos. I spent the entire summer vacation here in my hometown in Oak City, and I've been hanging out with my siblings for quite some time now. You see, a lot of things had changed through the summer break, and I've come to realize that instead of freezing priceless moments into photographs, why not make videos as keepsakes instead? Today's a really busy day. It's 12 midnight, so here's the top 3 highlights of my day. Number 1 is the Gali Invasion / Lubi Lubi Festival. Para tigo og ato kini. Hello folks, so today I am wearing my Genesis shirt. It has been 2 years since I last wore this shirt. And over here you can see my grandpa and grandma. This is a really old picture. And if it hasn't been that obvious by now, there is a Gali invasion in our barangay. So we've got to watch the show. They're having their grand rehearsal. Come on, Heather is taking the cameraman role.
Oh.
Give me the camera.
My neck is blue.
What? Your neck is? Yes, they're doing a ritual. Whatever it is. Santa Rita. Santa Rita de Cascia is our patron saint here in Hingaog City, and Santa Rita. And I've got to play older brother with my cousin Lance. But the Lubi Lubi Festival grand rehearsal continues. I believe this is our barangay's entry to the annual Lubi Lubi Festival in commemoration to our patron saint. The fiesta is next week, by the way, that's on May 22. Viva Santa Rita! The criteria for judging is
Criteria: 10% costume, 10% dance step, 80% appearance.
So outside you can hear chants of Gali people who's doing the ritual. They are dancing the Lubi Festival. I mean, the poorly named Lubi Lubi Festival. Why do they call it Lubi Lubi? Lubi.
It's a coconut tree.
Stop!
What are you saying?
Not saying anything!
Ruby, sayaw sa mga gali. Gali dapat.
Parang tigog ato kini! Number 2, we've got to meet some members of my family. So today we kind of trapped Heather in a box.
Manili, may surprise party para kay Romeo! Home sweet home! May bagong celebrity housemate na makapasok sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya!
Daniel! Woo!
You've
met Lance, and then there's Lance's older sister, Ining. Ning! Ning! Tanaw da ni Ning! Purata siya dear ha? Pura na siya. Bibi! Trova! Kiss. And now let's meet my brothers through my beautiful niece Heather and her challenge of Speak English only interview. So right now this is my beautiful niece, that's Heather. Yes, I know she's beautiful. And I am giving her a task to do the vlogging for me, to interview every people in the house in English. That's a challenge, right?
Right.
Can you interview them in English?
Not right now.
Why?
Because I'm
Gonna. Huh? Ah, she's gonna change her clothes. And by the way, she's 100% Filipino. As a native speaker of Bisaya, we don't get to converse in English daily. But for purpose of challenging my niece if she's fluent in English, and for some of my lookbook and Facebook friends who don't speak Bisaya or Tagalog, this video is for them. Haha.
Hello, and this is my Tito Abing, and I'm interviewing him. What are we gonna talk about?
I don't know. You're the one who's interviewing me.
What age are you now?
I'm 16 years old.
Okay, and we're gonna talk to you later, so I have to talk for you. Hello, and this is Tito.
That is a quick interview.
And what age are you now?
How old am I? I'm 17.
And who are your brothers? Do you have brothers or no?
Yes, I have brothers.
Older or younger?
Both.
Both? Okay. How old are you?
I'm 17. Ambitious. Reactive.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is February 8th,
That's why.
1990. If I'm 17, that's 1997. Lastly, Mom actually sent us 3 huge packages. So we're home, as you can see. Mom sent us 3 big packages. And we've opened the first one. Now we're going to open the second and the third one. And we've got to open them yesterday. So everything that I acquired in Mom's huge packages is in this fancy bag. I have these awesome notebooks, lots of them, and this sketch pad. As you can observe, I am very much fascinated with accessories. I can use this as hair accessories in my future lookbook posts. I have this historical, antique, I don't know, maybe I should put my accessories in here. I have this Galema bracelet. I have to call it my silver Galema bracelet. I don't know, I'm just fascinated with it. Flashlight.
Whoa, it's headlight.
And lastly, I have this blue rosary. We found 4 blue rosaries in the packages and we've decided to divide those rosaries. I have a rosary, Nico has a rosary, Abing has a rosary, Ate has a rosary. So this will be our symbol for the lack of better term, sibling. Face matu sumni amni incendia! But aside from my awesome notebooks and my silver Galema bracelet, our house right now is full of scarves and dresses and lady sportswear which I cannot even use. Or maybe...
Yo, I tell you what I want, what I really, really want. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I tell you what I want, what I really, really want. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I wanna really, really, really wanna figure it out.
If you want my future, forget my past. If you wanna get with me, better make it fast. Now don't go wasting my precious time. Get your act together, we could be just fine.
I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want.
So tell me what you want, what you really, really want.
I wanna really, really, really wanna figure it out.
If you wanna be my lover, you gotta get with my friends. Make it last forever. Friendship never ends. If you wanna be my lover, you have got to give. Taking is too easy, but that's the way it is. If you wanna be my lover.
And that's all for today. Stay tuned in my channel, that's www.youtube.com/poweredbyjummy, and follow me on Twitter, add me personally on Facebook, hype my looks on lookbook.nu, and visit my blog. All of the links can be seen below. If you want to see more of these vlogs, tell me what you think. drop a message in the comment section and I'd be honored to respond to every one of them. No hate, people! Once again, thank you for watching. This is Dropping Hospital saying, mahal ko kayo. God bless you.